20 Amazing Facts quiz. You have 10 seconds for each question. Let's dive in. Question 1. What is the smallest country in the world? The correct answer is Vatican City. Question 2. What gas do plants primarily absorb? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question 3. What is the longest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur. Question 4. Which insect can survive being frozen? The correct answer is wood frog. Question 5. Which planet has the shortest day? The correct answer is Jupiter. Question 6. Which planet is known for its rings? The correct answer is Saturn. Question 7. Who invented the light bulb? The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Question 8. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? The correct answer is leaf. Question 9. Which country consumes the most chocolate per capita? The correct answer is Switzerland. Question 10. What is the driest place on Earth? The correct answer is Atacama Desert. Question 11. Which part of the body has the most bones? The correct answer is hand. Question 12. What's the only planet that spins clockwise? The correct answer is Venus. Question 13. Which fish can climb waterfalls? The correct answer is salmon. Question 14. Which planet has the tallest mountain in the solar system? The correct answer is Mars. Question 15. What was the first food consumed on the moon? correct answer is bacon cubes. Question 16. What is the tallest breed of dog in the world? The correct answer is Irish Wolfhound. Question 17. Which mammal lays eggs? The correct answer is platypus. Question 18. What's the rarest natural hair color? The correct answer is red. Question 19. Which fruit can float on water because it's 25% air? The correct answer is watermelon. Final question. Which country has more lakes than the rest of the world combined? The correct answer is Canada. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe.